I'm Jeroen Geens. I'm a scientific director at Janssen R&D, working on new platform strategy and strategy deployment with a large focus on continuous manufacturing and network strategy. First impression on the Pharm conference was pretty positive. I was absolutely impressed by the platform established in this virtual setting. This was not evident, so it really facilitate the connect and focusing on the opportunity, what you would like to do in a real face-to-face conference. From a content perspective, I think it was a very broad and diverse program. So you need to somewhat pick where your specific interests are in the program, but definitely there was a very interesting and broad program where I could find what I was looking for as potential areas of interest. Particularly also some great one-on-one connects as a follow-up. What I liked most on the VGS platform was really the opportunity to be interactive in all aspects, whether it was just chat function, follow-up on conversation during presentation, or exchanging business card. It was really the opportunity to be interactive in a virtual setting, which what made it most attractive of all. I think, as and can be expected, it was balanced. Some were really very interesting and valuable with some follow-ups after the conference. Others were rather like it would be in a real life fair or conference, the opportunity to see whether there is something in, and it happens that you don't have the match or the commit. So, but even that is not a waste of time. It's part of the opportunity to see if something is in. So it was positive. I think I had something like between 10 or 12 companies with which I met in a business-to-business meeting. I truly want to express that the support of a personal manager was very helpful to facilitate and navigate through the platform, as well as getting just introduced in the B2B meeting. So very helpful. I really enjoyed the presentation of Sven Houtman from Roche in the opening plenary session. I think that was really spot on, also in the area of interest for myself. Two days that I spent on the PHARMAP 21 were really time well spent. It matched very closely experience you look for on a real face-to-face conference. Really interesting presentation, really interesting connects on a one-on-one B2B opportunity. So definitely time well spent.